How are you guys? I am so excited to bring this to you guys. I've been talking about this for a hot minute and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. As you guys can see, I am bringing you guys the holiday giveaway that I've been promising you guys for a few weeks now. So while I'm filming this video, it is basically Black Friday weekend and I have placed another order of things. So not everything is here, you guys. I'm just going to share with you guys really quick some of the stuff that I am willing to give one lucky winner. This is international. Everything you need to know will be in the description box. I will have a Google sheet. Just like I did my last two giveaways, it'll be a Google sheet. You fill out all the information. I do not do anything else but just choose my winner through there. I do not do anything else with it. If you have entered my last two giveaways, I have attested to it. I've deleted everything, so I do not keep anybody's personal information or anything that I ask. Anything that is being asked in that form is solely for the giveaway, so then I don't have to go and hunt you down or look for you, or everything is just easier that way, and I don't have to worry about scammers as well, because there are so many people this time of year that are trying to scam you for money, and I will never solicit you guys for anything. So this is the easiest and safest way that I can do it without affecting anyone, myself or you as the winner. So like I said, this is international. At the moment that I'm filming this, I have no idea when it's going to start. I have no idea when it's going to end, but everything will be on that document. So read it thoroughly, read it carefully, so then you are aware of what you're getting yourself into. Obviously, this is not sponsored by anyone else. I have purchased these products from you guys. I have saved some PR for you guys. So I have quite a bit of everything, because I know that some people don't get certain things or can't get certain things or want to try certain things. So here it is, you guys, here it is. So I'm just going to share with you guys the things that I have in front of me. As I mentioned, there are going to be some things that are coming in the mail. So it'll be a surprise to the winner, because you ain't going to know what you're going to get. But I promise you it's going to be more than this. Let's start out with the best part. So you guys know that one of my favorite indie brands that I am going to, I just love to death, is Sydney Grace. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 single shadows for you to try out. I figured 8 is my favorite number. Why not have 8? So all of these are going to go to the winner. Obviously, you guys can try out. There's different, I believe there's mattes in here, there's shimmer in here. So there's a little bit of everything in here. So first off, you're getting 8 singles. Very excited about this one. I'm so excited, so excited. You're also going to get 3 Sydney Grace lippies. So you're getting the shades Rachel, Mary, and Tori, which are these 3 shades. They are absolutely beautiful. I have gifted these in the past and they have been a smash hit. So I wanted to share that with you guys as well. Then I am throwing in a Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Lip Plumper for you guys. I believe this is in the shade. I'm trying not to rip boxes for you guys. I think this is in a clear tube. There we go, yeah. So this is what it looks like, so you guys can see. I've never tried this, so I can't say. And there's actually instructions in here, you guys. So that's making me a little nervous. Please read the instructions before you put these on your lips, because that's making me nervous. Also, we have a deluxe sample size of the Beauty Blender Boost 4-in-1 Setting Spray. I've never tried it, so you guys are going to have to report back to see if this is something that I should purchase in my arsenal. The holiday season cannot be perfect or complete, I should say, without having a bold red lip. So you will also be getting a ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Risk Taker. So that is a beautiful red, you guys. So I figure for the holiday season, you'll be rocking a red lip. You will also be getting an Alter Ego Shadow Primer. So these are my daughter's favorite. I've gone through multiples of these. So I'm giving you guys a shadow primer for that. A Hard Candy Lip Liner. So this is the Hard Candy Lip Liner in the shade Perfect Match. So you guys see me using these often. I actually have some in front of me. Let me see if I even have Perfect Match to share with you guys. Is this it? Yes, so this is Perfect Match. So it comes with a brush. This is my own, so I'm not touching yours. And, ooh, look, mine's almost gone. I felt like this one would go perfect for whomever. Let me tell you, this is beautiful. It is creamy and it sets. Watch. I'm going to let this set and you guys are going to see that I won't be able to mess that up. Don't mind this one. This is a lip liner that I cannot take off as well. So that's the lip liner I am including in there. Another Too Faced. This is the Too Faced Bling Gloss ring. It's limited edition. So it's an actual like ring that has the lip gloss in there. I didn't open it up, so this is going to one of you guys. So we're having that. And you guys, I'm so excited about this. As I mentioned, I have been talking about flower nose for a while. So I have a few things that I want to share with you guys that I've been saving. So first I thought this was cute. It's more of like a decorative piece, I would say. Not necessarily, I don't know. You want to use it, I don't own any of these, so this is going to you. This is the Flower Nose Swan Ballet Series, the paddle hairbrush. I figured this would be look beautiful like on your vanity or on your dresser to kind of like dress it up. I thought this was beautiful, so I'm including that in there. You're also getting the Flower Nose Little Angel collection. This is the highlighter in the shade 01. Is it open? I'm going to open this bottom part because I don't want to mess with you guys. Like, I don't want to... I'm trying to show you guys, but then I'm like trying not to ruin it. Okay, so I can't open it up because it's sealed on the top. So you're getting a highlighter, which you guys know I've been a fan of, as well as the blush. So this is the Strawberry Rocco Embossed Blush. It's the Romantic Blossom. If you saw my last Flower Nose Get Ready With Me, this is the blush that I used on my face. So this one's going to you guys. You guys, you're going to love it. It looks so pretty. Let me grab mine so you guys can see it. So this is the blush that I'm talking about. It will be yours, you guys. You're going to feel the heaviness of this. It's beautiful. So this is the blush. You guys, it is gorgeous. Even the imprint. I love these. They're beautiful. So you guys can see right there. It's going to be a nice, beautiful flush on your cheeks. So you're also getting that. There is more coming, you guys. So this is what you have so far. So just to recap, because I know it was quite a bit, you are getting Sydney Grace eyeshadows. You're getting Sydney Grace lip glosses. You're getting two different Too Faced lip glosses to play around with. A mini setting spray. The reason why I didn't include a large one is because if it's international, I don't want you guys to get flagged for it. So I did not include that. A shadow eye primer, ultra matte lip from ColourPop in red, obviously. A lip liner. This lip liner right here, look. Can you see? These are going to be set put. So this is the lip liner, that color right there. You're getting the highlighter and blush from Flower Nose from two different collections. So you can play around with those. And a paddle brush. So I'm putting everything here for you guys. Once the rest of the stuff comes and the giveaway ends, I will contact the winner. I will say, again, look at all the fine print, the exclusions, blah, blah, blah. Everything you need to know will be down in that Google spreadsheet. I'll give you guys a heads up. I will give the winner 24 hours to reach back to me if they, or actually is it 24 or 48 hours? I can't remember. But if that time expires and you did not reach back to me, then I will pick a new winner and I will let those individuals know. So everything you need to know will be in the Google spreadsheet. This is just a small token as a thank you to you guys. I get PR because of you guys. You guys help me to get exposure. You share my videos, you comment, watch my videos. So I'm getting PR some and not a lot. So the little things that I do get, I also want to share with you guys. So some things I purchased myself, some things were from PR, and there is more coming. So this is not all of it. You're going to get a nice goodie bag for the holiday season. I hope this brightens somebody's holiday season. I'm excited for you guys because I personally used to love giveaways all the time. So I am going to have everything down that you need to know in the description box. And I want to thank you guys so much for always sticking around with me. Always, just doing what you're doing with me. I love the interactions that I have with you guys. I love the connection that I have with you guys. And that's all that matters to me. I don't care so much that I am one of the top people. I earn this much, whatever. For me, it's more of the relationships that I'm making more than the money, basically, at the end of the day. So thank you guys so much. Don't forget to check out the description box. I'll put a new video on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then,